Are you tired of waiting forever for your devices to charge? In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the fast-charging USB-C charger, a powerful and compact solution designed to keep your phone, tablet, or laptop powered up in no time. I'll walk you through its features, performance, and why it might be the perfect charger for your everyday needs. If you'd like to check it out for yourself, I've left the product links down in the description below, so don't forget to take a look after the video. 10. Susnwere DP-A106G36. The 40-watt USB-C PD 3.0 fast wall charger delivers powerful and efficient charging, taking your iPhone 13 from 0% to 50% in just 30 minutes and reaching a full charge in about 2 hours, up to 3 times faster than a standard 5-watt charger. Designed with a smart chip, it automatically adjusts input power to protect your devices from overcharging and overheating. Featuring a dual-port design, it supports fast charging for 2 devices simultaneously at up to 20 watts each, making it perfect for powering your iPhone, iPad, or other gadgets at the same time. With universal compatibility, this charger works seamlessly with iPhone 16, 15, 13, 12 series, iPads, AirPods, Samsung Galaxy phones, Note series, MacBook Air, tablets, earbuds, and more. Each pack includes 2Kai's 40-watt USB-C fast charger blocks and friendly customer service. Cables not included. 9. CSON HNT PD511. The 2-pack 50-watt fast charging block is a versatile 5-in-1 USB charger featuring 2 USB-C ports and 3 USB-A ports for efficient simultaneous charging of multiple devices. With power delivery and quick charge 3.0 technology, it delivers up to 50 watts total output, including a 20-watt USB-C rapid charge that powers an iPhone 16, 15 from 0% to 50% in just 30 minutes, and USB-A ports offering 3.1 5-volts output. Designed with universal compatibility, this charging cube supports iPhone, iPad, MacBook, Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, LG, Kindle, tablets, wireless chargers, Nintendo Switch, and more. Its advanced safety protections, including short circuit, over voltage, over temperature, and overcurrent safeguards, combined with ABS plus PC fireproof material and CE FCC RoHS certifications, ensure a safe charging experience every time. Compact and portable, this USB-C wall plug is perfect for home, office, or travel, allowing you to replace multiple adapters with one convenient power hub. Cable not included. 8. Anker XSP20USZ. The ACUPY 20-watt USB-C fast charger block is designed to deliver high-speed, efficient, and safe charging for all your devices. With 20-watt PD 3.0 power delivery, it can charge your phone from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes, ensuring you spend less time waiting and more time on the go. Its universal compatibility makes it the perfect charger for iPhone 16, 15, 14, 13, 12 series, iPads, Google Pixel, Samsung Galaxy, and other USB-C power delivery-enabled devices without triggering warning messages. Built with advanced safety protection and certified by ETL, FCC, CE, and RoHS. This charger intelligently adjusts output using an AI chip to protect your battery while providing fast, reliable power. The compact and lightweight design makes it travel-friendly, fitting easily in your pocket, bag, or tight spaces behind furniture. Each pack includes 2 ACUPY 20-watt USB-C charger blocks, backed by a 12-month warranty, lifetime technical support, and 24/7 customer service for complete peace of mind. 7. Anker A2667. Meet the Anker 735 charger, Nano 265 watts. The only charger you'll ever need. Say goodbye to juggling multiple adapters because this compact powerhouse can fast charge your phone, tablet, and even a USB-C notebook all at once. With high-speed charging up to 65 watts for a single device, it can fully power a 2020 MacBook Pro 13-inch at maximum speed, while intelligently distributing power when charging 3 devices simultaneously. Despite its incredible performance, it's roughly the size of an AirPods Pro case, making it perfect for travel or everyday use. Built with advanced GaN 2 technology, it delivers more power in a smaller form factor, thanks to an upgraded design and improved efficiency. In the box, you'll get the Anker 735 charger, a welcome guide, an 18-month worry-free warranty, and friendly customer support. Everything you need for reliable, hassle-free charging. 6. CXX FEP383. This dual-port USB wall charger is designed for ultimate convenience, offering 2-in-1 compatibility with both USB Type-A and USB-C. so it can power virtually any smartphone, whether iPhone or Android. With high-speed charging, the USB-C port delivers up to 20 watts, and the USB-A port up to 18 watts, allowing you to fast charge your iPhone to 59% in just 30 minutes, 3 times faster than a standard 5-watt charger. Built with superior safety features that meet ETL standards, it provides temperature control, overvoltage, and overcurrent protection to keep your devices safe. Its wide compatibility makes it suitable for iPhone models 5 through 16, Google Pixel, Samsung Galaxy, Note series, LG, iPad, AirPods, and more. Compact and travel-friendly, this charger lets you power 2 devices at once, replacing the need for multiple bulky adapters. Package includes 4 dual-port chargers. 5. Ionius HNT PD3003. The Ionius 40-watt USB-C charger block is designed to deliver fast, efficient, and safe charging for all your devices. Equipped with a USB-C port supporting up to 20 watts output, it powers your iPhone up to 50% in just 30 minutes, 3x faster than a standard 5-watt charger. Its upgraded design features 4 ports, dual USB-C plus dual USB-A, allowing you to charge your phone, tablet, laptop, and headphones simultaneously without occupying multiple outlets. Universally compatible with iPhone 16, 15, 13, 12, 11 series, iPads, Samsung Galaxy devices, Google Pixel, Kindle, LG, and more. This charger block is the perfect all-in-one solution. Built with RoHS, CE, and FCC certified safety protections, it prevents overheating, overcharging, and short circuits, ensuring reliable performance every time. Compact and portable, the fireproof ABS Plus PC design makes it ideal for home, office, or travel use. Backed by an 18-month worry-free replacement and 24/7 customer support, the Ionius charger block is your ultimate fast-charging companion. Number 4. Anker A2348. Experience powerful and reliable charging with the Anker 20-watt 2-port charger, designed to keep your devices powered up wherever you are. With 20 watts high-speed charging, it delivers fast and efficient power for iPhones, Samsung phones, and other devices, ensuring minimal downtime. The simultaneous dual-port design allows you to charge 2 devices at once through USB-C and USB-A ports without sacrificing speed or performance. Compact and portable, this charger easily fits into your bag or pocket, making it perfect for travel or daily use. Built with Anker's Multi-Protect safety system, it ensures complete protection for your devices while charging. In the box, you'll receive the Anker 20-watt charger, 2-port, 2 5-feet USB-C to USB-C cables, a welcome guide, 18-month warranty, and responsive customer support for a worry-free experience. 3. Dengwenxiang OFS 556 pack of 2 and great value. This package includes 2 dual-port wall chargers, making it convenient to keep one at home, one at work, and one for travel. A cost-effective alternative to brand-name chargers, it comes in a variety of vibrant colors, making it easy to identify which charger belongs to which device. Wide compatibility. Designed to work with a broad range of devices, this USB-C charging block supports iPhone 14, 14 Plus / 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, iPhone 13, 13 Pro Max, iPhone 12 series, iPhone 11 series, XS, XS Max, XR, X876, as well as iPad Pro 11-inch 2020, iPad Air 3 10.5-inch, and many other latest smartphones and tablets. Efficient fast charging. Delivering a full 20 watts of power, this fast-charging adapter charges devices up to 3 times faster than traditional 5-watt chargers, ideal for busy lifestyles. Smart and safe charging. Equipped with an intelligent chip, it protects your devices from overheating, overvoltage, and electrical surges, ensuring safe and reliable charging. Dual-port yet compact, featuring both USB-C and USB-A ports in a single, compact cube, it offers the flexibility to use different cables while saving space. Perfect for tight spots or carrying on the go. Number 2. BeachAge OFS PD569. Experience fast and efficient charging with the BeachAge 2-pack 40-watt fast charging block. Supporting both power delivery and quick charge 3.0, this USB-C charger can power your iPhone from 0% to 60% in just 30 minutes. Equipped with 4 ports, 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A, it can simultaneously charge up to 4 devices at up to 40 watts, reducing wait time and eliminating the need for multiple chargers. Its compact, portable design makes it perfect for home, office, or travel, while maintaining impressive power in a pocket-friendly body. The charger offers universal compatibility, supporting a wide range of devices, including iPhone 8 through iPhone 16 series, iPads, AirPods, Apple Watch, Samsung Galaxy S and Note series, Google Pixel, LG, and more. With multiple safety protections like short circuit, overcurrent, overvoltage, and overtemperature safeguards, charging is completely worry-free. The package includes two 40-watt 4-port charging blocks with an 18-month warranty and responsive customer service to ensure complete satisfaction. 1. Anker A2147. Experience the ultimate in compact charging with the Anker 511 Nano 3 30-watt USB-C charger, featuring advanced GaN technology that delivers the same high-speed power as traditional chargers in a design 70% smaller. This versatile charger is perfect for powering everything from earbuds and smartphones to tablets and even the MacBook Air, making it an essential accessory for any device. With 30-watt output, it offers full-speed charging for iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max, powers the iPad Air, 5th generation, to 50% in just 45 minutes, and supports Samsung Superfast Charging, 25 watts, for a seamless experience. Built with Active Shield 2.0, it monitors device temperature over 3 million times per day, providing twice the protection of its predecessor to keep your devices safe. The package includes the charger, a welcome guide, and a worry-free 24-month warranty, backed by friendly customer service, cable not included, making it a reliable and convenient choice for all your USB-C charging needs. All right, guys, that wraps up our look at the fast-charging USB-C charger. If you're tired of waiting hours for your devices to charge, this little gadget could be a game changer. Don't forget, all the product links are in the description below, so you can check it out or grab one for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.